this problem from preliminaries of three-dimensional geometry. And the problem says that the volume of the tetrahedron ABCD, where the position vectors of ABCD are given by 4 points respectively, is given by 4 options are given here. We have to choose the correct alternative. We first draw a rough sketch of tetrahedron like that. This is the tetrahedron like this. Okay, and clearly this is our base. This is our base, and we draw the perpendicular from here to the base. Let it be the feet of the base, and from the given position vector it is clear that this and this, that is A, C and D, have the y coordinate are 1. So we write A, C, D as base to solve easily this problem. We write here A, this is C and this is D, and obviously this is B. Okay, and A is given by -1, 1, 1. C is given by 1, 1, -1, and D is given by 4, 1, -3. Right? And clearly from the coordinate of this 3 point, this is nothing but the plane y, this is equal to 1. That is parallel to xz plane. Okay, parallel to xz plane, which is the base of the tetrahedron ACD. Now we find the area of the base. Area of base ACD, and this is clearly a triangle, so area of the base is half into determinant -1, 1, 1. We write -1, 1 and 1 because we neglect here y coordinate, because all the y coordinates are 1. Okay, so we find out the area of the triangle like as two-dimensional geometry. So -1, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1, and the second point is 1, -1, 1, and the third point is 4, -3, 1. Okay, 4, -3, 1. Because we use the formula half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, sorry, this is z2, 1, and x3, z3, 1, and this is z1, because it is in the xz plane. Okay, now we operate here -1, 1, 1, this is 0, 0, 2, because R2, 1, 1. Okay, we add R2 with R1. Okay, and we make another operation. This is R3, 1, 4, and this is given by 0, and this is given by 1, and this is given by 5. Clear? So we get the determinant value is half into -1 into -2, so this is 1. So the area of the base is 1 unit. Right? Now this point is given by 1, -1, 1. Okay, and this is the plane y equal to 1. So obviously the perpendicular distance, that is, if we take, this is feet, this is P, and here y, this is equal to 1, and here y, this is equal to -1. So BP is the perpendicular which is given by mod of 1 minus -1. So this is 2. Right? Now height or length of the perpendicular, we write here height is, this is equal to 2 units. So volume is given by 1/3 into area of base into height, and this is 1/3 into this is 1 and this is obviously 2, so 2/3 unit. Okay, and the volume is given by 2/3 unit, so our correct option is option number D. This is 2/3 units. Very interesting and important problem, and we solve easily by using this type of coordinate given here. Okay, thank you for watching.